my fraternity brother. Have a seat, because I will be short. Brother, this is for you.
Get out of frame. Oh, thank you very
I
much.
hope you will like it. Can you,
Put it on? What size is it?
double X. Double X.
It looks like a...
Try. Here, here's the size.
Because I know many black people don't like this.
See, I really been popping my shit on a whole nother level. You playing it since
An Asian double X.
I would like to introduce you our brother Sheldon Maddox. Batch 1989, right? 88. Oh, sorry for that. Brother,
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
welcome, brother.
Dahil ko ng mga